Let's make a Deadshot Daiquiri. To make this drink, we're going to start with our lime juice. 3/4 of an ounce of fresh squeezed lime juice. 3/4 of an ounce is 22.5 milliliters. Had to think there for a moment. Maybe I need to get my head shot. 1/2 an ounce of simple syrup, 1-to-1 simple syrup. And I do make my own simple syrups. The recipe is here on the channel. Link will be down below if you want to check that out. 1/2 an ounce is 15 milliliters. 1/4 ounce of grenadine. 1/4 ounce is 7.5 milliliters, and I do make my own grenadine. This is homemade, never mind the label in the bottle. I am working on bottling and selling my syrups. I'm not quite there yet, but 1/4 ounce of grenadine. Link to the recipe will be here down in the description down below as well. 1/4 ounce, 7.5 milliliters. 3 dashes, well, I'm gonna say 2 dashes of Peychaud's bitters. That's a little bit of the zip that we were talking about. 3 dashes, 2 dashes is 2 dashes. And we better do 1 for the gnome. So 3, 2 to 3, your choice. Velvet falernum. I'm using John T. Taylor's. There's other falernums out there. Feel free to swap out if you so desire. 1/2 an ounce, 15 milliliters. And the bitters plus falernum will give it that zip I was hoping to get. And finally your rum, 2 ounces of your white rum. 2 ounces is 60 milliliters. Add some ice, and give it a shake. Official glass is a Collins glass. I'm going to open pour into my glass, but I really want all the liquid and some ice. Oh, that works out perfectly, because now we want to top it off with some club soda. And I did have a viewer correct my pronunciation of this. It's not Shweepies like I've been pronouncing it. It's actually Shweepies. At this point, you can give it a quick stir if you so like. I'm going to leave the gradient in there because it takes a little bit of a better picture. But I am going to add a straw and garnish. The garnish is going to be cocktail cherries. Leave a little bit of syrup on there. And I'm using 3, so that'll give it a little bit of redness. Oh, right to the top. And there you have it, a Deadshot Daiquiri. Drink with good spirits.